Okay, so just in case I die via flock of birds out here with Boo-ray and my dead body is found, I have documentation to prove it. Because I've had a swarm of birds dive bomb my face like 3 times out here. I think there's a nest over there or something. So we're gonna go try and aggravate the nest. See if we don't get mauled by a group of angry birds. He's chirping. Oh gee, that's neat. That's some nature. He's saying, stay away. Well, he doesn't know. I'm on the top of the food chain, and I'll fucking eat his little wings if I have to, so he can't fly in my face. Nothing. Boo-ray senses it. Just gonna leave the cameras rolling, because you never know when these birds unexpectedly will dive directly at your face. Get him! Get him! Jesus Christ. Fuck. It's gonna be more. Jesus. These birds are out for fucking blood. See this? God. Fucking assholes. Oh my god. Do you see that poop? Here comes a... Dicks.